Ka Congress kalapun pau ya kejingkemen bakanyo banjop suk haka Elekshon MDC siteng semoi kaban salongsian Langrin haka Arpatrik mentau benai. Katkum kejing ong jong kanongi lam ke Congress haka jela ka Dr. Amprin Lingdo kejingwan pai biang kinongi lam berim jong ke parti kelade ke dauba ke bapun Tikna ya kejing job badan brom jong ke parti. Kuman syukudau hangni baka NPP kelas sei do ba kitbol nongrem ka Congress do ba Jotin Khardo saw bat ka UDP do mele ba Pius Marweng.
You've seen that there is now a regrouping of the erstwhile Congress presence. We've seen that leaders from the NPP who were who played major roles in the breakup of the Congress party in that constituency now seem to be connecting again. So we are hopeful that we may be able to do well in Langrin. The UDP MLA wanting to contest the election himself will also go to our credit, and that is also going to be a major force, because you've seen now that the UDP leaders and the UDP support seems to have fragmented, with several leaders coming over to the Congress and several leaders going to the NPP. So it's going to be interesting. The party has prepared a huge plan of action. Every MLA is going to be in charge of certain booths. MDCs are going to be put in charge of certain booths. We're going to be coordinating with the local forces, and that looks good for us. We don't know whether it's going to work, but we appeal to the people of Langrin to turn back to the Congress and support the party for the right reasons. We've seen how the NPP has supported anti-indigenous, anti-tribal laws and bills like the Citizenship Amendment Act. We've seen how the NRC is now looking like it's going to be replicated in all states, the dangers therein. We've seen also that in the current session of the Parliament, the Uniform Civil Code is one main agenda of this Parliament session that's going to go. I'm told that whips have been issued to all BJP members in the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha to be compulsorily attending all these sessions. We've seen all the list of items that have been listed for discussion in the two houses of the Parliament, both the lower house and the upper house. Looks like it would be a good reason, a good suggestion, a good background for remembering that if we have to fight that force which is going to be bullying its way and forgetting the structure of democracy in this country, vote for the Congress, which is going to be a better alternative.